Here we are back in my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen, and for today I'm making eggplant parmesan, but in an easier way. I have been craving eggplant parmesan lately, so normally, I slice it up, fry it, do the parmesan that way, but this time I'm just doing the whole eggplant, cutting it in half and cooking it that way. First, I'm just these leaves, just take these leaves off. You could probably just cut the end off. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this lengthwise in half. I have a very sharp knife. Then I'm just going to score this, so don't go through to the skin, just the meat. We are pretty much carnivore, but there are a few things that every once in a while I just have to have. Eggplant is something that I love. I am Sicilian heritage. All four of my grandparents were born in Sicily. So especially around the holidays, it's like, well, I want some Sicilian, Italian recipes. And many of them I have ketofied so that I can still have them and stay clean keto as well. So that one is all scored. Now we do this one. I have to be very careful. We just had these knives sharpened. If you need knives sharpened, I don't know if you have an Ace Hardware near you, but I have found that the Ace Hardware here near us sharpens knives really well. They have this little machine to do it. This knife here, Carl bought for me probably close to 20 years ago. And it's a German knife, and it was really sharp when I first got it, but they get dull very quickly. And I have taken it places to have it sharpened several times, and nobody could get it sharp enough. I was ready to throw the knife away since I couldn't get it sharp, and if it's not sharp, I can't use it. So I happened to try Ace Hardware when we moved here to North Carolina, and boy, they sharpen knives very well. And I've lined the baking sheet with aluminum foil so that it is easy cleanup. And in here I have some olive oil, and I'm just going to brush olive oil generously. It's probably a quarter of a cup of olive oil. Eggplant will soak up the oil incredibly well. I put measurements in here so that you know macros. And again, the way the macros are calculated, it's going to depend on, the products that you use. So don't hold them completely accurate. They're just baseline, but it's good enough to get an idea of what the macros are. Then I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on it, just a little bit. I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven, 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for a half hour. And then I'm going to test it, make sure it's cooked. And so we'll be back in a half hour. Well, the eggplant has been in the oven for a half hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it looks pretty cooked. As you can see, it started to separate, which is a good thing, where we had it all cubed. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take some tomato sauce and put it on top. All I did for this is just a can of tomato sauce. I didn't have any homemade sauce. I just doctored it up with a little oregano, salt, pepper, dried basil. So we're gonna, it's going in some of those cracks. So about a quarter of a cup maybe, or maybe, well, this is roughly 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna probably put a little bit more on it because eggplant really soaks up the moisture. So we don't want this dry. We're just gonna, and then we're gonna top this off with some mozzarella cheese. Yes, I did buy already grated cheese. I was being lazy. Normally I wouldn't because it has all sorts of starches in it to keep it from sticking together, but maybe a couple of ounces of cheese. It depends on how you like it. I do like a lot of mozzarella cheese, but that's going to mess up my macros. But I will put in probably 1 ounce per half. I don't have cheese very often, so I'm going to put this back in my oven for about 10 minutes to have everything melt, and then we'll come back and we'll taste it. So I just took it out of the oven. Oh, look how good that, this is just like so amazing. And it was 10 minutes again just to have the cheese melted, and now I get to taste it. I have been wanting this for days and days. Just dig in. This is going to be hot. Oh, that's so good. Easy. Eggplant Parmesan. Oh, it is delicious. You have to try it.